Hello everyone, today is October the 22nd, 2024. This is Dr. Fryer and I'd like to teach you how you can create a narrated sketchnote. We have been sketchnoting this video about how AI is searching for ET, and now we're going to narrate that sketchnote. So I'm going to jump over to my sketchnote app, Sketchbook, okay? And I have completed my sketchnote. And so what I need to do now is I need to save it. So I'm going to tap my little sort of three dots there in the upper left corner and click Save and Save to Gallery. This saves it into the Sketchbook gallery, but now I can tap it and choose to share it to my camera roll. So I'm going to do a flattened image, a PNG, and what that's going to do is it's going to save that inside my photos. So if I open up Photos and I look here under Recent Photos, look at this. Here is my sketchnote, okay? And this is what I recommend you do rather than being inside Sketchbook, because you can pinch and zoom inside this and talk about it to create your narrated sketchnote, okay? So I am ready to do that now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull down my control center, and I'm actually recording right now using the screen record on my iPad. And if you don't see that button, you need to add that in Control Center. I can help you do that. And you're also going to need to make sure your microphone is on. But now I'm recording, and so I can go ahead and do my narrated sketchnote. So here we go. Hi, this is Dr. Fryer, and today I'm talking about my sketchnote, How Are We Searching for Aliens with AI? This is a video that's part of a series that is called Age of AI, and the big question they were asking is ET out there, an extraterrestrial that is intelligent? They talked about the SETI Institute, which is the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, and how they use radio telescopes. And they were asking, how does life happen? There's a lot of not just stars and planets, but even galaxies in the world. And so they were asking a lot of deep questions in this video. When they have the data from the radio telescope, they're actually looking for data patterns. And so they have this data and they're trying to find what's not normal to try to find something that would be created by an intelligent being, not something that's just, happening out in space. And at the end of the video, one of the scientists or engineers said he doesn't think it's a matter of if, he thinks it's a matter of when they discover this. I think his name might have been Graham McIntosh. He was one of the people that was quoted there. One of the things that they referenced that I don't think most of our students know about was the Orson Welles book, and then it became a radio special, and it really caused a lot of people to be scared. It was called War of the Worlds. And so they were pointing out that science fiction authors and, not just book writers, but also people who are producing movies have been, talking about robots, taking over the world for a long time, or also, aliens taking over the world. One of the companies that they mentioned I'm really interested in learning more about is called Sanctuary AI. They're creating synths. This is a screenshot from their website of one of their current robots, which they're trying to make the most human-like robots that they can. They talked about reverse engineering, and that's something that they do to create these robots. They also talked about designing the human eye and how hard it is to do that, but it's really important, not only visually as far as getting those inputs into the robot, but also, making it seem and act very human. So Sanctuary AI, at the time they created this, was really wrestling with how do they create a mind. And now that we have, ChatGPT and other technologies, we're obviously getting closer to technology and robots being able to be more human-like. So that is my sketchnote, and hopefully that has helped you learn how to create your sketchnote. What I will do now in just a second is tap that dot again to stop my recording, and then I will go ahead and put this on Google Drive so that I'll be able to share this on our Padlet. Thanks so much for listening.